Hi, this is Mélisande Rouger. I'm Editor-in-Chief of Diagnostic Imaging Europe, and I'm here today with Franz Pfister, medical doctor, data scientist, and co-founder of Deepc. Hi, Franz. Thank you so much for joining.
Hi, Mélisande. Thank you so much for the invitation.
Of course. Deepc integrates different AI solutions into its vendor-agnostic platform. Can you tell me what are the benefits of using your platform?
Absolutely, and with pleasure. So, once a clinical institution decides to adopt AI into their clinical workflows, that's only the start of the journey. So basically, you first need to get an overview of the market, of all commercially available products. You need to screen the market. You need to find the one solution that fits best your clinical needs. Once you've made that decision, the procurement process starts. So it includes regulatory components, data privacy checks for compliance, and then cybersecurity, etc. Once this is done, you need to negotiate a contract with the respective vendor. So that again includes like a data privacy agreement, like a commercial contract, etc., etc. So once this is done, you are going into the implementation phase. With the IT, you need to set up the systems, integrate with all of the existing systems and infrastructure, and then at some point, you're about to go live. So this whole process can take 6 to 12 months, and with our platform, we only run through that whole process only once. And that's a big benefit because we are experts in setting up the whole infrastructure, also in less time. And then once the platform is in place and all the commercial agreements and data privacy framework agreements are in place, we can simply switch on as many solutions as you want.
Great. So does that mean you also take care of aspects like data security and system integration?
Absolutely. So that's at our core of our expertise. When it comes to patient data, we of course need to take data privacy very seriously. So we take care of all of that with a unified data privacy framework agreement that we set up with the respective customer. We have a lot of different flexible deployment options, like the standard is hybrid to cloud, but we can also do fully on-premise. We can do cloud to cloud. So there are many different options that fit an institution's needs. And then once this is done, we can also flexibly integrate with the existing hardware and also software, like the HIT systems. Typically, that's the PACS software. We can integrate with modality directly, and we can also deeply integrate into the existing user interfaces of a PACS viewer, for instance.
Brilliant. So what about the algorithms on your platform? Do you also do some kind of validation here? What can your customer rely on diagnostic efficiency?
Yeah, that's another core value that we bring to the table. So we have a multi-stage process of validation and curation of the AI solutions. Before we even consider bringing a solution onto the platform, we have a team that looks at the clinical value that a solution is generating. Then, of course, we are looking at publications, peer-reviewed publications, then also some other materials that the vendors provide us with, at the regulatory files, and all of those different pieces. We have a close look. Then we do reference checks and some other steps in the process. And then once this stage is passed, let's put it that way, we're going to the next stage where we are testing the solutions on in-house data to make sure that the solution not only works on data from one institution, but also on data from other institutions as well. Before we deploy it to customers. So that's the general process that we undertake. Now, in the future, we will also offer our customers pre-deployment testing options. So we have further extended our platform such that we can enable our customers to test the solution on their own data, even compare different solutions on their own data before making a purchasing decision.
Brilliant. Thank you so much, Franz.
Thank you.
That was Mélisande Rouger signing off for Diagnostic Imaging Europe.